All right, so here we want to rationalize the denominator. And because we just have a simple square root down here, we want to think about what is the square root of 10? Well, that's the square root of 2 times the square root of 5. Those don't have anything in common. So what we're going to have to do is to get rid of the square root of 10, we're going to have to multiply by the square root of 10 down here because the square root of 10 times the square root of 10 is going to be just 10. But what we do in the denominator, we also have to do in the numerator. So now we multiply here. So that's going to be the square root of 10 over. And again, square root of 10 times the square root of 10 is just 10. Okay. Now, sometimes we might have something that we might have, maybe we have the square root of, well, we'll see it here in the next one. We have something that we only have to multiply by a smaller number. We don't have to multiply by the whole thing. This one we had to multiply by the whole thing because we only had one of each term. Now, if we look at the next one, I guess we don't have anything here either. We just have to rationalize the denominator. I wasn't sure what was coming up next. But here, what we have to do is what? Well, remember in a previous one, if I said if we multiplied by a plus the second piece, in this case, 5 plus the square root of 2, when we FOILed that one, we got rid of the radicals because that's what we want to do is get rid of radicals in the denominator. And then that should get rid of all radicals in the denominator. We'll still have them in the numerator, but they're gone in the denominator. So we can just go across. So we're going to take 8 basically times 5 and 8 times the square root of 2. So 8 times 5 is what? Well, that's 40. Then 8 times that's going to be plus 8 radical 2. Now here, we're going to take the 5 times 5, so that's going to be 25. Then we have minus 5 radical 2 plus 5 radical 2. Those are gone. And we have minus, and radical 2 times radical 2 is just 2. And so that gives us 40 plus 8 radical 2 all over 25 minus 2, which is 23. Okay. And so that would be how we rationalize the denominator. So now it's all in a numerator with the radicals, nothing in the denominator, and we're good to go. All right, let's pause there and come back for some more.